Guys, this is insane. I had to pull out my mobile to make this video because it's urgent. I wanted to get it out quickly. What's going on right now in crypto is it's literally unprecedented. We came down to $2,170 in the early hours of this morning, back up at 2,700 pretty much. The crypto market's rebounding on the 4-hour here, and we need to talk about exactly why that's happened and how to play this right now, because it's looking kind of bullish again, but you need to understand why the market's pumping. And of course, then we'll be looking at the Ethereum chart on this higher time frame and exactly what's going on the lower time frames, the 12-hour chart, which, to give you kind of like a little sneak peek, we still have this previous channel, which we are clearly very, very much below. However, if you look at the following trend lines, Ethereum right now is fighting to get back in this wedge. And if it gets back above, I would suggest $2,750, closing that candle today, we're really back in business. But first, look at this. Actually, first, hit the like button. That's really going to help. But let's talk about why the market's pumping. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum, I hope I pronounced that right, she's announced a pause on the tariffs rising. She's basically giving Donald Trump a bit of leeway and the markets a bit of leeway. And most importantly, I believe, crypto czar David Sacks, he's confirmed tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. ET, that's about 7:30 p.m. UTC, he will reveal how Trump's administration and Congress plan to secure America's leadership to the digital asset economy. So bullish. Couldn't agree more. Markets pumping. Let's talk about this, because if we get back in this range, we're back in this wedge. And I mean, if you look at it, you know, if you get rid of the noise and you put a line chart in here, it's not going to look so bad at all, particularly if you put it on the weekly chart, where yes, we have, of course, a big break to the downside. But where do we close this weekly? Is it going to close here or is it going to close here? We still have time. This chart for Ethereum, I believe, is even more important because look at the parallel channel. We are back inside that parallel channel. Is this a good opportunity to open a long trade? Well, I made a video earlier today. You might have seen it. Unfortunately, over the last 48 hours, like many of you, I lost a lot of money, and I made a video about that. But pity party's over. The market is responding very, very well to there being no trade tariffs or them being far lessened. There's been never time like the present to educate yourself about leverage trading, because we are at a stage in the market where we are due to see the most explosive leg over the next few weeks and few months, providing that the trade tariffs and everything on the macro scale doesn't give us any more shocks. And maybe the flush of liquidity is what we needed. I still strongly believe by 2026, or into 2026, should I say, $17,500 Ethereum is pretty much a given. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to trade this, look at WEEX or WEEX. It's no KYC, guys. You can use this platform wherever you are in the world. It's really good, and there is some great products that you can get. $2,500 bonus trading competition. Link in the description down below. Bitcoin, on the other hand, also looking bullish. Look at that candle. Back in the green. The Bitcoin dominance, again, looks to me like it's going to be selling off into Ethereum. Guys, remain bullish. This is very good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I open another Ethereum long trade? This time, maybe I won't use as high leverage. 25x was probably a bit too much, but I'm very tempted to open up a new trade here. I will make an announcement if I do that on my X, at @𝘕𝐺𝑟𝑒𝑐𝑟𝑦𝑡𝑜. You can follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, at @𝘕𝐺𝑟𝑒𝑐𝑟𝑦𝑡𝑜. Guys, if you want to educate yourself on trading, now's the time to do so as well. I'll put some links up there. See you on another video soon. Bye-bye.